Hi guys, are you looking for the best car dash camera 2021? Then, you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best car dash camera 2021 on AliExpress. All these car dash cameras have been selected based on personal opinion, value, rating, reviews, and orders. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Listed number 5, JADO G840's car dash camera. It has 12 inches giant screen, Ultra HD stream media, parking monitoring, time-lapse video, glare suppression, low light. G840's Ultra HD Smart Streaming Review Mirror also has the following functions: 1920 pixel HD display, 3 display modes, new LDWS lane departure warning, 1080 pixel waterproof lens, reversing starts automatically reversing the image. Front-loading streaming media, after pulling the lens, real-time image of the car lossless, and delay-free transmission to the display. Flagship chip stable under high-temperature conditions. Longer recording time without frequent formatting. When the vehicle deviates from the current lane of white driving, the system will sound an alarm to remind. It has a 4.8 out of 5-star rating, 143 customer reviews, and 362 orders now. Listed number 4, VIOFO A129 Plus Duo Car DVR Dash Cam. With rear view camera, car video recorder, quad HD night vision, Sony sensor dashcam with GPS. GPS logger is used to including the location data in the recorded videos. Enjoy and track your journey showing speed, route, and time data on playback via phone or computer. Dual channel 2K 1440 pixel front and 1080 pixel rear dash cam, support dual channel to record in front of the road and at the back of the road. Clear image quality to save every detail comprehensively. The Sony Starvis image sensor brings an extraordinary night version compared with other image sensor and records every detail at night. With FOV 1.6 and 140 degrees wide angle for dual channel, the dashcam keeps a balance with a broader view and great image quality. Built-in dual-band Wi-Fi for setting the dashcam as well as viewing, downloading and sharing video on VIOFO app. The 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi brings faster transfer speed to download videos on phone. A129 Plus Duo has 3 models for parking mode, auto event detection, and low bitrate recording to meet different needs during parking. It has a 4.9 out of 5-star rating, 182 customer reviews, and 638 orders now. Listed number 3, Bluavido 12-inch car mirror Android 8.1 DVR dash camera. Its 1080 pixel dual lens, Wi-Fi GPS navigation, ADAS remote auto video surveillance. Its Rearview mirror installation type, suitable for all vehicles with mirror, 12.0-inch touchscreen, display, RAM 2G and ROM 32G, Android 8.1 system, front 6 glass and rear 4 glass camera lens, 170-degree angle and 120-degree angle, front 1280 into 720 pixel at 25 fps, rear 1920 into 1080 pixel at 30 fps video resolution, 8 megapixel photo resolution, supported GPS navigation, SIM network, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Not included battery. Also supported G-sensor, cycle recording, motion detection, 24 hours parking monitor, time and date display, wide dynamic range. Micro South Dakota card, class 10 and 8 GB to 64 GB memory card, not included. Why choose Bluavido? The leader of smart car DVR. All products have been passed a strict quality test before shipment, make sure high quality. Return for any reason within 15 days. If the product has a problem within 365 days after confirming the receipt, we will replace the new machine directly for you, but please contact us first to resolve the after-sales problem. This warranty does not apply to damage caused by accident, abuse, misuse, or modification of the product. It has a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, 260 customer reviews and 767 orders now. Listed number 2, Anker Roav Dash Cam. Roav's premium dashboard camera engineered with an advanced sensor and premium lens. Superior imaging technology, built-in Wi-Fi, and a dedicated app ensure every drive is recorded in rich HD clarity. Built-in GPS automatically tracks and indexes every journey so you can review it at a touch. Quickly download videos and share them online with the Roav app. A cutting-edge Sony Starvis sensor ensures a detailed image even at night. Exposure is automatically fine-tuned to create balanced images and footage in any light conditions. Simultaneously record 4 lanes of traffic for a full view of the road. S1 watches over your vehicle even while you're sleeping. As soon as movement is detected, S1 springs into action, capturing every detail in full HD 1080 pixel. It has a 4.8 out of 5-star rating, 440 customer reviews and 1431 orders now. Listed number 1, VVCA RV17 12-inch Rearview mirror car DVR camera. Its 11.66-inch screen, GPS, Full HD dual 1080 pixel lens, super night version, IP68 only backup cameras, reversing assistance, emergency recording. Using Horsepower's new streaming media technology to achieve 3 times the original car Rearview mirror field of view automatic photosensitive adjustment to suppress glare. Easy to deal with in various environments on rainy, foggy and snowy days. 24-hour full-time multi-environment high-definition video recording, not miss any time. IPS high-definition touchscreen, the front and rear roads are displayed on the same screen, and you can also choose to display the front or rear of the car separately. Auto switch to parking mode when you parked your car. Triggered by the motion detection, the dashcam will auto-record once the front camera or inside camera detects motion. It has a 4.8 out of 5 star rating, 858 customer reviews, and 1562 orders now. If you want to buy the best car dash camera 2021 on AliExpress, link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.